The NES Advantage is an arcade-style controller manufactured by Asciiware and released by Nintendo for the Nintendo Entertainment System in 1987. The device is meant to rest on a flat surface at a comfortable level, such as a tabletop or the floor, with the player seated behind it. This way, it can be used like an arcade game joystick, with the left hand using the joystick and the right hand operating the buttons. The NES Advantage features adjustable turbo controls for the A and B buttons, which could be toggled on or off with a button. Users can adjust the rate of the turbo by adjusting the respective turbo dials located above each button. The Advantage features a pseudo-slow motion feature, which users can toggle on and off by pressing the slow button. However, the slow motion feature does not work with all games, including games compatible with the NES Zapper or ROB accessories. The slow button works by very rapidly pressing a virtual start button, which could lead to problems when the player attempts to do an action while the game is paused. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.